Get up. Get up. Se lever. I get up early. I get up early. Je me lève tôt. Turn on. Turn on. Allumer. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Allume la lumière. Take off. Take off. Enlever. She takes off her shoes. She takes off her shoes. Elle enlève ses chaussures. Look for. Look for. Chercher. I am looking for my keys. I am looking for my keys. Je cherche mes clés. Give up. Give up. Abandonner. Don't give up now. Don't give up now. N'abandonne pas maintenant. Put on. Put on. Mettre. I put on my hat. I put on my hat. J'ai mis mon chapeau. Pick up. Pick up. Ramasser. He picks up the book. He picks up the book. Il ramasse le livre. Turn off. Turn off. Éteindre. Don't forget to turn off the TV. Don't forget to turn off the TV. N'oublie pas d'éteindre la télé. Call back. Call back. Rappeler. Can you call me back? Can you call me back? Pouvez-vous me rappeler? Come back. Come back. Revenir. When will you come back? When will you come back? Quand reviendras-tu? Keep on. Keep on. Continuer. Keep on studying. Keep on studying. Continuez à étudier.